Hello guys, in this short video I want to describe you how you can make a polygon line in the new Google Earth mobile program. It's a very useful function that you can use for mapping old streets or measure lines and so on. At first you open Google Earth on your Android phone and then you can open the project like this, pull up and then click on the project. Now you can go to the bottom and go to more, then open Pfad or Polygon. I use the German version here. It's in English, has other names. Now I can click on point adding and can now make your line. So I've made one line. Now I can save it to the project, give a new name to the line, call it line 1. You can also put up, add photos or add a description to your polygon line and so on. But it's okay for me now. I'm ready now. Go back to the project. Now I have my line. When I click on it, I can see it on the screen, and also I could now further take further actions on this line. And yeah, I hope you like this short video. It's a very simple function, so it's not as difficult as other things, and hope you liked it, and there's a lot more coming on this channel the next time. Bye.